right, go for it, bud.
Okay, pull it up. Attaboy, all the way up. I'll tell you when to stop. Good. Now pull your right hand straight back. Yeah. Good. Perfect. Now you're going to spin. You got it.
Now watch behind you too. You got to look all the way around you. Yep. Make sure you're not going to hit nothing.
Whoa. Now push your right hand forward. Okay. Now push your left hand forward. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good. Now push your right hand forward again. Okay, now put your right hand to the right side. Push it out to the right side. All the way over. That a boy. Perfect. Okay. Girl, you're natural. Okay. Now your right hand straight back. Your left hand straight back. And then spin the machine.
Not too shabby, Monkey Man.
That was actually pretty smooth, man, for the first time.
And
Okay,
now you
now
want
take your right foot and step on the outside of that pedal. It's nice and easy.
and watch what it does.
A little bit more, a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, now left hand forward. Oh, now curl your bucket so it's flat. Other way, yeah. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. We got her.